Here. Hold. Hold. Good. Hold. 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 Good. Hold. 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 Good. Hold. Massaging our ear is a distraction. It's also positive reinforcement. Learning to do this, it's a lot of muscle memory. Hold. Hold. You want the dog to have its head up. Good girl. You're doing awesome. This is just a couple days and we have her doing this. But you have to take your time. You don't want to do real long sessions. Drop. Good girl. Here, do the big one. Here. Hold. Roll it in the dog's mouth. Make sure that the gums aren't, over the teeth. Make sure the dog's comfortable. Hold. Hold. It's good. Hold. She's watching the pigeons. Hold. Here, move your head around here. Makes it harder with the, a bird flying around. Hold. 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 Good. Good girl. Hold. Good. Hold. Hold. Good. Drop. Yes. You're good, sis. You're doing great. Let's do the small one one more time. The small one's heavier. It's a different kind of wood. It's a hardwood. Hold. Good. Hold. Good. Good. Hold. Hold. Very nice. Whoop. If they drop it, pick it right back up. Make them put it back in. Hold. No. Hold. 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 Drop. Good. Here, do the fat one more time. Here. Hold. No. Hold. Hold. Make sure they keep their head up. No. Hold. Hold. Like that. Hold. Hold. Good girl. Hold. 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 Good. Good. Hold. There's pigeons everywhere. Hold. Hold. Very good. Hold. Yes. That's a good girl. Hold. Drop. Yes. Very nice. That's very good. You're doing great. You're doing great. Look at her. She's like a little fox. Very sweet. Okay, one more time. Do it one more time. Use the big one. The big one's a lighter wood. It's a pine. Make sure the dog's holding it comfortable. Give the dog positive reinforcement while the dog's holding it and not trying to drop it. And that's what we're seeing at this point. The dog has given up and is learning that this is a positive thing. If she holds it, I'll pet her. Good girl. Very good. And tell her she's doing a good job. Hold. Hold. Good girl. Hold. Hold. Drop. Very nice. You're done. No. Hold. You're a good dog. You're cute. You're cute. Drop. No. No. Hold. Drop. Thank you. Sit. Hold. Hold. Ignore the pigeons, bro. No, sit. Drop. Brewster, hold. Drop. Hold. Brewster, hold. There. You're doing good. Drop. Now get over there. Sit. You were you nuts? Dude. Nah, you don't chase your tail. We're working right now, brother. Brewster, hold. It's good. Here, drop. Brewster, hold. Hold. Hold isn't the dog bouncing its head around. Okay? So he can move it a little bit. I'm talking, he's looking at me. We're getting ready for Frisbee. That's why I'm working hold with Brewster right now. We're going to do a lot of Frisbee videos with Brew. Drop. Brewster, here, heel. Sit. No, sit. Brewster, hold. That's good, drop. It's like a little monkey. Brewster, no, sit. No. Brewster, hold. There you go. Drop. Drop. No. He's cheating. He's a cheater. No. Brewster, hold. Good. You're a good boy, Brew. I'm glad you live with me, dude. You're all right. Yeah, it worked out okay for you, didn't it? You're a good boy. She's right on schedule. She is. She's doing great. You have to do the preliminary stuff before you get them to hold it and not try and drop it. You have to get them used to, you touching their snout, you opening their mouth, because that's how you have to do it at first. You just start putting it in the dog's mouth. And, and then they start, getting used to it and start seeing it as like something that's fun. That's the whole thing, man. Retrieving is such a positive thing for all dogs. If you worry that, like, oh, look, she doesn't like it at first, she'll never learn how to retrieve and never have one of the greatest things a dog can learn how to do is like retrieve. You can exercise the dog, you interact with the dog, you're playing with the dog, and remember the retrieve is positive reinforcement. If you're going to retrieve with your dog and teach your dog to do this, know that the dog must be calm before you send it on the retrieve. Now, we're about 3 weeks away until she can do a full-on retrieve, but she's going to do it. She's doing awesome. Good girl. You're awesome, dude. She's doing great. She really is. You're a good little Japanese wolf, aren't you? Yes, you are. Look at how cute this dog is. She's totally chill. I can feel her heartbeat. That's what you want. She's a good dog. I'll do this when she doesn't have the object in her mouth. I want her to know that I like her and I like what she's doing. She's really good. Look at her. Not a cat. This is a dog. This rumor that they're like cats is foolish.